Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Apollo for LinkedIn cold email targeting, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Apollo website. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email address accurately. Next, create a strong password that meets the specified requirements. After entering your password, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and look for a confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. Once verified, return to the Apollo website. Log in using your registered email and password. After logging in, you will be directed to the Apollo dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the Integrations tab in the menu. Click on the Integrations tab to explore available options. Select LinkedIn from the list of integrations. Follow the prompts to connect your LinkedIn account with Apollo. Grant Apollo the necessary permissions to access your LinkedIn data. Once connected, return to the dashboard. Now, navigate to the email targeting feature within Apollo. Here, you will find options to customize your cold email targeting. Set your desired criteria for your target audience. This may include location, industry, and job titles. Once you have defined your criteria, click on Search. Apollo will generate a list of potential leads based on your specifications. Review the list of leads carefully. You can save or organize these leads for your cold email campaigns. Next, create your cold email template within the Apollo platform. Make sure your message is personalized and compelling. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.